Welcome back travelers. Today I am going to give the locations of the event in a 4.2. We need to take pictures of blue-winged animals, so let's get going. First of all, come to the waypoint behind the Jade Chamber. Glide down and you can see a bluebird on the stairs. Now location 2. Teleport to this waypoint in Liyue and walk ahead. Be careful or else the birds will fly away. Now the final location is in Inazuma and you can get 3 from here. Now you can go and enjoy. You are 60 primos. Please subscribe for future content. CYA.